Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Nay. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we are going to get this makeup look right here. Definitely very much Euphoria inspired. So if you guys want to know how I got this makeup look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into the video, shall we? It's totally been a minute since I filmed a video, so please bear with me. Alright guys, so going in with primer today, I'm using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminous Primer. I use it like every day. I already have my eyebrows on, and I honestly sometimes get super annoyed with my eyebrows because I feel like I never get them perfect, so I always do them off camera. But yeah, and I kind of hate my brows, but whatever. For foundation today, going with the OG, the Maybelline Fit Me. Cannot go wrong with this. I am using one of those like little brushes that were like super in like a year ago. I don't know if anybody still uses these, but I honestly just washed a whole bunch of brushes and I forgot that I had this. So I was like, let's try her out. For concealer, I'm going in with this Maybelline one. It says it's the color medium, but this looks so bright. Then I'm just going to go over top of that with some concealer from Wet n Wild. And then blend this baby out as well. Wow, this eye looks so red today. I've said it in like so many past videos, but I always notice it when I'm like doing my makeup, so I'm wondering if you guys notice it as well. Let me blend this out. But I've said it before, but I have a busted blood vessel in this eye, so it looks red sometimes. Well, all the time because it doesn't go away. But yeah, I'm just like noticing it. It looks like a super like lazy eye right now. So I'm going to carve out my cheekbones with this little Maybelline concealer. What is this? It Fit Me foundation stick. So just going to blend this guy out as well. So now I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I'm just using like a little blush brush. Just going to test that. I also like to get my chin and my forehead a little bit because those are the areas that I tend to get a little shiny throughout the day. Okay, so now on to eyeballs, and we will finish the face after. Kitty Pry's making her appearance. I don't know what's happening with this lighting. Okay. So I'm going to go in with the Dream Street palette. She is well loved, but I'm going to use this shade here. It's called Magical, and I am using a Morphe M441 blending brush. So I'm just going to start to put that guy in my crease. Now, moving on to the James Charles palette, I'm just using a random like little Wet n Wild blending brush, but I'm going to use, where is she? I'm going to use this shade here and start to put that in the crease as well because apparently we're going to go for another fiery hot Cheeto look. So I'm just going to use the orange shade from that James Charles palette and then start to put that in my crease. Just gonna go back in with that first brush with that shade Magical on it. I'm just gonna blend those two colors together. Okay, get a little nice gradient going on. Plus, I don't want that orange to be too harsh. I'm gonna use this shade here next and just drag that in the crease as well. And I'm just using that same brush that I used for the orange. Now going back into the Dream Street palette, I'm going to use this shade here called Spark, and I'm just using like a little Anastasia blending brush. It's one of those ones that comes in like her palettes, honestly. I love like the size of it because it's super teeny, but it's perfect to get into my crease. So that's what we're going to do now. Layer that on the bottom and blend and blend and blend some more. And yeah, I'll see you when we're done blending. So now that we're looking all kinds of crazy, we're gonna go back in and blend it out again. So I'm going back in with that Wet n Wild brush and probably that orange color, blend it out again, and then with that other brush that had magical on it and blend it out even more. So yes, let's do it. So now we're going to add some glitter. I'm going in with the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ladybird. She's super pretty. I guess I could have carved out like a cut crease, but I don't really want the glitter to be so precise. I'm just applying it with my finger because I feel like it gets the best color payout, plus it's glitter, so I like to press it into my skin because I hate having like little glitter flakes everywhere on my face. It's just like so annoying. I feel like you never get rid of glitter, but we love glitter. That makes it so much better. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, put some mascara on, and then probably, well duh, we need to finish up the face, but I'm thinking we're gonna add some rhinestones today. We're gonna do it. So I thought I was recording, but apparently the camera stopped recording. So what you missed is that I put on eyelashes. I'm literally just wearing some random ones. I also curled those and then put mascara on top. And then I buffed out the lower lash line with the same exact colors that we did up top. Now I'm about to go in with some brown liner and just line the bottom waterline. And then go back to the face, finish the face, and then probably put some little jewels on my eyes because I feel like that would definitely tie the entire look together. And I feel like I haven't stopped talking. So I never used to line the bottom waterline just because I feel like it closes my eyes off and makes them look super small. But when I do more dramatic looks, I love it because I feel like it ties the entire thing together. But now we're looking a little pale. I know I went in and set my under eyes before, but I'm gonna just dust some more powder because I do get oily throughout the day. I think I said that before, but yeah, the joys of combination skin. They're playing music, so yeah. I'm using the Balm Take Home the Bronze bronzer in the shade Greg, and I'm just gonna chisel out my cheekbones a little bit, or like shape them a little bit more. Done with bronzer, now time for blush. So I'm gonna layer a couple blushes today. The first one's gonna be a Kat Von D, Hansel and Gretel. She is one of my favorite blushes. So we're gonna pop her to our cheeks, blend her out, and then we're gonna add Homegirl on top. So and then on top, we are going in with the Laura Geller Baked and Blush. What? Yeah, so we're going in with the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten and popping this babe on our cheeks as well. And a little bit on my nose. I don't know why I've been doing that, but I've been kind of liking it, especially when I do full freckles, but not today. So time to set my face with some Fix Plus, add some highlighter, some inner corner highlight, and let's get some gems and then lips, duh. So for highlighter today, I'm gonna go in. So for highlighter today, I'm gonna go in with this Kylie Cosmetics Salted Caramel Highlight. She's one of my faves. We're just gonna pop her on our cheek. I'm using, what am I using? A Duo Fiber brush. I never use this for highlighter, so we'll see how it goes. the sizes are different. So they have like super teeny ones, and then they could actually get bigger. Use the second to last one, this guy, and add some gems. And I'm just gonna do this guy in a time lapse because I know that this is gonna take forever, because they always do. So I will be, oh, and then to adhere the little gems, I'm literally just using lash glue, and I have like these little double-sided tweezers. This is like the normal side that I pluck my eyebrows with, but this guy is like super teeny tiny. Alright guys, so now that we got all those little gems on our face, we're looking like we straight came out of an episode of Euphoria. For lips today, I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade 20 to line my lips, and then I'm gonna fill it in with the Kylie Jenner Better Not Pout liquid lipstick. I think that's from the holiday collection, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, and we are basically done with the look. Alright guys, well, this is the completed result. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup. I really like it. I probably should have put one rhinestone on the top of my eyebrow, but I kind of just like how it is right now. I don't know why I do that. Okay, but anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button so that way I know if you guys like these kind of videos. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the comments down below. Peace and love to you always, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye! With you, babe, with you, babe, with you, babe. Hey, hey, it's okay. Hey.